Hey you guys, welcome back. It's me, Ashley. I'm happy you're here. Today we are simply cleaning my kitchen. I'm putting away groceries right now because we did just come back from the store. It is just a summer weekday. As usual, I'm going to be doing a voiceover here and there. Let's get started. So I'm just going to show you what I bought. We got French toast sticks, regular Eggo waffles, and then we tried these desserts, this tart, and I love a lava cake so much, so good. We got these candies for the kids. I thought they would like that, very TikTokable, and I absolutely adore these Starries, zero sugar, zero calories. We eat string beans from the can over here, ice cream with the desserts, and bananas. The steak is also dinner for tonight. Now, I love these edge controls, but they did have a new flavor, watermelon, at my hair store. I always get this strawberry acai smell. It smells so good. And I picked up this little mini travel edge brush. I thought she was cute. She came home with me. I'm just going to finish off that so the container does not have to go into my fridge. And then, guys, I made a big mistake here. So, of course, I'm throwing things away, and our trash can flipped over, making the biggest mess ever. Because I am not young anymore, I did solicit some help. Alana came and helped me get all the stuff that fell from the back. I swept out as much as I could. Really couldn't. And then, she just took over for me. Here go my baby girl. Thank you, girl. Don't you just love a kid that can help? Ooh, because Mama Needs didn't want to do it, but I thank her so much for helping out. Here's her little cameo. Oh my God, my baby's getting so big. Y'all, 7th grade this year. Crazy. 7th grade. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, boo-boo. Back to our regular scheduled content. I went ahead and I swept up all the crumbs. I don't know if I told you guys, but we do have a little special guest in our home now. His name is Rock, and you guys will see him eventually. But anyways, I had to sweep up the crumbs because the baby likes to eat every single thing. When I say baby, I mean puppy. He's a puppy, y'all. I didn't want y'all to think I got my babies out here eating off the floor. I'm not like that. I'm not trifling like that. But anyways, let's keep cleaning. I don't often do videos when my whole family's home, and they were, and we were just chit-chatting, talking, and doing all types of things. So yeah, this is what it's gonna look like if I'm recording with at home, and it just don't have to be what it is. It works. My life shifts all the time, and this just works right now. This whole cleaning section is after a work from home day for me. Hubby does not work from home, so I am talking a lot to him because he just got home. But I didn't have time to clean up after lunch, so I am straightening up lunch stuff that me and the kids ate. And I wanted to get these spices switched out. You'll see it in a little while. My lighting is doing all types of weird things. It's going in and out. It's trying to self-focus, and then I keep going too far away from it for it to focus on me. So it's trying to connect to something else. But anyways, you guys will see in just a minute me switching gears and actually moving my spices from the cabinet or the drawer to the little rack my husband bought at Marshall's. You'll see that in just a minute. Everything beyond this point is quite self-explanatory. I'm just going to be quiet and let the music play. I'll pick back up in a little while. See you then. And now that everything is in its rightful home, it's finally time for me to switch out my HEB seasoning jars, which are super cute, to this roundabout thing my husband got from Marshall's. It's super cute and it provides us space that we needed in our cabinets. Even though I kind of just utilized them with something on the counter, put something on the counter. That ain't the point. This is cute and this is what I'm doing. Now I had a difficult time getting the HEB canisters open. Whoever put these tops on these canisters did their job. They did their big one because they were very hard to get out. I ended up using like a metal tool to just pop it out and then switch them out. Now, I wish this part was as sped up as it was doing it. This was a lot more tedious than I expected it to be. Didn't enjoy it, but it looked better now that it is done. Straight up violation coming soon, y'all. I threw all these jars away. These HEB jars are cute, like I said, and I'm pretty sure I could have found a purpose to repurpose them, but where are they gonna go until then? We're in an apartment, we don't have the space. They went in the trash. And then this is me trying to figure out, I want to buy one of those under cabinet banana things. I'm gonna purchase one from Amazon, but every time I forget, so this is just me trying to figure out how that would look next to my new spice rack. I love it so much. It looks very, very nice. And then I've been meaning to cut this watermelon for about a week. And my baby wants watermelon. And I'm talking about my big one over there. But of course the boys are here right next to me. And I think this is cute. I love when the kids are with me when I'm doing stuff in the kitchen. It makes it less boring. And it's just, cute watching it back. Jaden has great conversation, so he's right next to me. Alana is in the living room with her dad playing the game right now. But yeah, I'm slicing this up so he'll have some for work tomorrow, as well as everyone, have free reign of grabbing some out the fridge whenever they please. Honeydew melon had gotten extremely soft, but honeydew melon is just so good. Let me know if y'all like honeydew. Like I like honeydew. It's delicious. It's very satisfying peeling or cutting the peels off of the honeydew. It's way more. It's easier than cutting it off the watermelon. It just slices like butter, and I enjoy it. I enjoy it so much. And Jaden, he likes to honeydew a lot more too, so of course he's still around. I went ahead and topped off. I took the top watermelon out of the jar that hubby's taking to work, that mason jar, and I put honeydew up top. As always, thank you so much for making it to this part of the video. I do have a special little clip. I added it at the end. I thought the camera wasn't recording, and indeed it was. Until next time, you guys, peace.
Then I came to get down. I'm not international, but I'm not supposed to rock. So, call me your mom. I don't really care. Young lady, even the ones that never saw me, like the way that I'm on the show. How they know? Boy, I don't know. It takes two to make a thing go right. It takes two to make it outside. Yeah. It takes two to make a thing go right. Yeah. It takes two to make it out of sight. Yeah.